Sunshine! So today we're going to be unbagging our very second Nadine West bag. I did try this bag out a little while ago and there's just so much going on that I feel like I wasn't able to give it the attention that it deserved. But I wanted to try it out again because I had a couple of you ask me to. So here we are unbagging our second Nadine West, but with a new attitude and a new mindset. So for those of you who don't know, Nadine West is a monthly clothing subscription bag, box, however you want to call it. It comes in the Ipsy type mailers. You get 2 to 4 clothing and jewelry pieces in each month's bag. They offer straight sizes and they offer plus sizes, which is so freaking cool. The actual cost to get the bag to your house is between $6 and $7, but you don't have to pay anything on top of that. Like, you only pay the price of shipping, if that makes sense. You get to try on all of the pieces, and if you want to keep them, like, the credits and the money that you spend towards shipping goes towards a credit for a shirt. So like, for example, if you love a shirt and it's like $10 and you've only been on for a month, the $7 that you spent in shipping goes towards a credit towards the $10, so you end up only having to pay $3 extra to get the shirt in your hands, which I think is really, really cool. So you get to try out different styles and brands and all that type of stuff included in your bag, plus you get some jewelry. I have tried this out before, but again, we're trying it out with a new mindset, new attitude, so I'm really excited to see what's in this month's bag. I got June's bag, and here's like what my bag has inside of it. I am so excited to pull. I see cheetah print and I love prints. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull everything out. I haven't opened this up yet. I'm going to pull it out and then we're going to try everything on. So I can't wait to see you guys and what you guys think. Well, I can't wait to hear from you guys and hear what you guys think about this bag. I did have a couple of you ask me to try this out, so I'm really excited to see what your opinions are of this bag. But yeah, with that said, let's open this up. So I think the first thing that I'm going to do is look at this cheetah print thing because I really want to know what this is. Okay. This looks to be a shirt. Oh my goodness, it's a shirt and it has like, boom. Look, it's got little panels. What is this called? Like lines? Cross open thing? I don't know what this is called, but they have like the line thingies. I'm such a great fashion blogger. The line thingies on the sleeves. It's stretchy too. So it has it on both sides. This is from West Coast Love. And I got this, I don't remember what sizing I put in, but I think I put everything in as a 2X, I think. So I love prints. I'm excited to try this on. It's nice and stretchy and it actually looks like it's going to be long enough. And if you've never been on my channel before, I'm somebody who feels passionately about something being long enough. My sleeves have to be long enough. My jeans have to be long enough. My shirts have to be long enough. I like my shirts to like halfway cover my butt. That's just how I was like brought up. And that's something that like I still have. Like, my shirts have to be long enough, otherwise I don't buy them, I don't like them, and that looks like it's gonna be long enough. The next thing that I got, I'm also really excited about because I see mesh paneling. Okay, what is this? Oh, it's a pair of leggings. Oh my gosh, it's the phone ones. Okay, so look, it's leggings. They're capri. It looks like they're gonna be like capris. I don't know, but we've got mesh paneling on the sides. And I can keep my phone in there. It's got a little pocket on both sides for my phone. The brand is Xoxo. Check me out. You will love it. Oh my goodness. Is that actually the brand? Yeah, look, it even got, that's so handy. Oh my gosh, can I actually put the phone tag in the... Wow. Wow, that's amazing. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay, I'm very excited to try these on. I don't think the top and these leggings are meant to go together, but that doesn't mean that I'm not going to try them on together. I just don't think that they're meant to go together. But we're not done. We still have 2 more pieces. So the next thing that I have in this box is a pair of earrings. Hold on, let me take out my hoops so we can try on the earrings. Okay, they're little like diamonds. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to try these on. Boom, okay. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love these so much. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. Oh no, I just dropped it. Oh, mini heart attack. Can we please go in? Thank you. These are so cute and I can be loud and obnoxious with my head bobbing. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. They're so cute though. Oh my goodness gracious. Wait, I totally forgot. I have a freaking thing, a paper that tells me the pricing on everything. I totally forgot. We'll get to that because we're almost done. We have one more piece. I love these earrings. Look how cute they are. They're so cute. I think I'm going to keep these. These are really, really cute. Okay. And then we have a necklace too, which I'm nervous about because it looks a little tangled. No, I think we're good. Oh, yeah, we're good. I don't know. I'm nervous. Is this supposed to be an actual necklace? Because I don't think I'll be able to fit this thing around my neck. Okay, hold on. It's a little like... Yeah, is this supposed to be a necklace? How am I... Wait, hold on. Okay, wait. Pause. Now that I don't think this is gonna fit around my neck. Yeah, this isn't gonna fit. Oh, maybe if it's like really tight. But like, yeah. Okay, let's put my hair back. Let's try. Let's not give up yet, guys. Yeah, it's not gonna fit. Oh, that's sad. Why would you make it this like chain is so small? Like, it's so cute. This necklace is really cute, but it's so small. Okay, let's pretend like it did fit. I'm gonna push this back so you guys can like look at it. Boom. That's what it would look like if it fit my neck. But it doesn't fit my neck, so that's sad. However, these earrings make up for everything. I absolutely adore these earrings. These are so, so cute. Okay, I pulled out the little paper that tells me the price of everything. Okay, oh, these earrings are kind of expensive, which makes me sad. Okay, so this necklace right here is called Make It Rain in gold for $24.99. These earrings are $14.98, but that means I'm actually like, I got the $7 credit, and so this other $7 will be like taken from my debit card. And then the $7 that I pay for shipping will be going towards these. These leggings are called Mesh Arrow Gray for $26.47, and the top is called Jais Animal Print for $34.99. Let's go try everything on. So I'm not super impressed with these leggings. I mean, they feel nice and they're not like super duper see-through, but you guys can like see my underwear. They are not coming, like I don't have a big butt. Like you guys can see, I have a flat butt, but for some reason these leggings are just not wanting to come up. Like I like to wear my leggings up high. I like to wear my pants up high. But these leggings just will not go past my butt, and I'm not loving that. I mean, the mesh is cool. I like the length of them, but like, as you can see, the calf part is just a tad, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like looking down, I can see that the calf part is a little bit stretched out. I'm not in love with these. I mean, the mesh is cool. I don't really think it's supposed to go with the cheetah print shirt. But, I mean, they aren't, like, stretchy. They aren't really easy to move on my skin. And, like, the waistband itself is, like, so not stretchy. Like, leggings, you don't have to be exactly spot on with. And you can, like, be in between sizes. But these, you don't really have a whole lot of wiggle room. Like, they're not super stretchy. And they're not, like, comfortable. Like, I wish I could pull them up higher. But they refuse to go past my butt. So, I mean, overall, I'm not really impressed with the leggings, but let's see the cheetah print shirt. So first, I just wanted to show you guys what the cheetah print shirt looks like by itself. You guys can kind of see me, but I just have on a pair of green shorts, but here's what the shirt itself looks like. It's not really see-through, but I am wearing a beige bra underneath. Here's what the sleeves look like. You guys can hear my earrings, they're so noisy. Here's the back of the shirt and the length of it. I am very happy with the length. And it's very, very stretchy. Like, there's so much stretch to this shirt. I think this would be really, really cute underneath of a leather jacket or like an accent, like just as an accent piece. Although the outfit that I have right now isn't too bad, especially if I were to like show my shorts a little bit more. Hopefully you guys can see like nope. Well, you can kind of if I stick my hip out like this. But it's not bad. I like that this is like very full. Like I'm not showing any cleavage. I think this would be nice for an office shirt or work shirt. I don't hate the cut. I like the shoulders. They're not like pointed or anything. It's a fun shirt. And then of course here we have our super cute earrings. I definitely think I'm going to keep these. I don't know. I'm very indecisive, but I definitely, right now, I'm feeling like these are a super duper keep. They're so cute. I don't know if you guys can see the little pattern, but they're so cute. What did you guys think of June's Nadine West unboxing? This is our second bag. I don't hate the entire bag. I wish the necklace fit, and that's a down, and I don't really, the leggings don't fit very well. However, I like the shirt and I love these earrings. The earrings are a definite winner for me. What did you guys think of this month's bag? I would love to hear in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.